Hey y'all, welcome back to my modern homestead. If you don't already know, my name is Janet and I'm so happy that you are here. Today we are working on a pie recipe. Now this is one I had never heard of till I found the recipe. It is called island pecan pie. So let's get down here, let's get all the ingredients together, and then we're going to put it together. Okay, the first thing we need to do is take 1 cup of pecans and chop them up. They don't have to be fine, but they do need to be chopped. Okay, there we go. So back into the measuring cup. Okay, now we need 1 cup of coconut. Oh, this measured cup will not go down in there. Okay, we'll just pour it out. And this is sweetened condensed. My recipe didn't say which one, so that's what we're going with. All right, so there's our coconut. Okay, we need 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. We need 1 3/4 cup of sugar. Avoid those big lumps if you can. Now we need 1 cup of pineapple. Oh, this is supposed to be crushed pineapple and it's tidbits. Ooh, we need to get our mixer out and crush it up. All right, 1 cup. There we go. Now we need 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. There we go. Okay, then we need 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. We also need 1 pie crust, and I'm just using a store-bought pie crust, 5 eggs at room temperature, and 1 stick of butter that has been melted. Now we're ready to put together the pie. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is set my oven to 300 degrees. Now we're just going to take this pie crust, unroll it, and put it into our pie pan. It should be a perfect circle. We shouldn't have to do too much to it. Let's see. Okay, perfect. Okay, that worked out just fine. Now I'm going to leave the edges kind of ruffled because I just like it. You can kind of maneuver them a little bit if you would like. Just going to do that. There we go. Okay, now there's our pie, ready to go. All right, let's put it together. Okay, now in a big bowl, we want to beat together the sugar and the eggs. And again, this is 5 eggs that are at room temperature. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oops, got a little bit of egg on the counter. That's all right. Now you want to add in the flour, the cornstarch, and the salt. So let's beat these together. This is so quick and easy, y'all. It takes no time to put it together. All right. Now, we want to pour in, oh, I got that on me, the melted butter, the pecans. Oh, let's go ahead with the melted butter. The pecans. Our oven's ready. The coconut and the pineapple. There we go. It's just so quick and so easy, y'all. All right. Let's take these off and get them into the sink. All right, let's take our pie shell. And we're going to pour it in. Oh my goodness, this is going to be so good, y'all. Let me get a spatula and get this out. Okay, there we go. Whoops. Awesome sauce. Look at there. Doesn't it look amazing? Now let's put it into the oven. And what we're going to do is bake it for 55 minutes first. Look at this stuff on the counter. I'll get that up too. Okay, it has been 55 minutes. So we're going to take this piece of foil, cover the pie, and let it cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. There we go. We'll just wait. Okay, the oven's just about to turn off. Let's take out the pie. Okay, here we go. Let's see what it looks like. I'm nervous. Look, it looks amazing. Oh, that's awesome. Let's leave it here to cool before we cut it. Okay, now the pie is still warm, but I can't wait. We're going to taste it. I'm just going to cut a little slice out of it. My son is here, so he can eat what I don't eat and give me his opinion. So, here we go. Well, okay, let's see what it tastes like. It looks good. Y'all. Oh my goodness. That is good, y'all. It's got like a custard consistency, but you can taste the pineapple. The coconut gives just a little bit of hint and texture. Those pecans, oh, y'all, this is good. I hope you get to go make it. It's so good. Can y'all see it? Oh my goodness. So, you guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. And until we meet again, may you be blessed. Love you guys. Bye-bye.